What's going on YouTube? T-Bird here, and I'm gonna show you guys how to create an account and build your resume on Indeed. Let's go. It is very simple to create an account on Indeed. Once you go to indeed.com, simply hit the sign in button. You'll come to a menu where you can sign in with Google, Apple, or Facebook. But for this example, we're gonna just create an account. Okay, so once you have typed in your email address and your password, click I am a human. And then click on the images that it tells you to click on. Mine is airplane. So let me click on my airplanes. I'm pretty sure it's gonna ask me more after this. Yeah, it has to be airplane again. Now you can hit create account. I don't want to say the password. Next, you will see a screen where you can either upload your resume or build a new resume. For this example, I'm gonna build a new resume. Then you're gonna need to confirm your email. So let me go do that. After you have confirmed your email address, you will see this screen. Click continue. Now you have created an account and ready to build a resume on Indeed. Now click on the icon that looks like a guy wearing a suit and tie. Click on profile. Next, you will see you're going to stop your resume process. It gives you a few short questions. Just enter those. And for this example, I'm just gonna make up some names. So let's just say John Jackson from Atlanta, Georgia. Yes, I'm authorized to work in the US. And then phone number. So let's just say let's 847. Hopefully this not none of you guys' phone numbers. Click on next. Level of education. Let's say I got let's just say high school. Field of study, let's just take up something building science. School, John John J. Just say high school. City, Atlanta again. Month, January 15, 20, January. Save. Next, you will see additional education, and this is where you put your college, or if you've attended 2 universities, whatever the case may be, depending on your situation. And you fill that in. You put in your time period, or if you're still currently going. But our example, John Jackson didn't, so we're just gonna click the next step. And here is work experience. Okay, so our example, Mr. Jackson, let's say he worked in customer service. He's a customer service representative at Kohl's. In Atlanta, of course. You can put if you're currently, if this is your current job that you're working, or if there was a job in the past. This is going to be a job in the past, so I'm not going to check this. And he worked at Kohl's from January 2017 to, let's just say, March 2020. A job description for a customer service representative, we would just say my job duties included assisting customers with questions and complaints. Also, let's just say also included giving customers information about our sales and products. Okay, so something like that. You don't want to make it too wordy, but you want to make sure that that the person that's going to be reading your resume and your read your description of what you did, you want to make sure they have just a clear understanding of what your roles were, and add like adjectives as well. You don't want to make it short. Yeah, so just make it look professional as much as you can. Okay, so after you click save, it's gonna take you to this page where you can list the other jobs that you had. And something that I do is I would list the job that I'm currently working, and then after that I will list the job that I worked the longest for, because that's gonna be the job that shows them that they could trust me to work there. I'm just not gonna be a person that's gonna get hired and then a couple months in I'm out. That job is gonna show them that there's loyalty there with me. That's something I do. It's totally up to you. But yeah, so list some more jobs if you have any. And for this example, I'm gonna just keep going to the next thing. Step 4 is the skills page, and here you want to list all the skills that that you have acquired over your work career. So our example, John, he was in customer service. So I'm just gonna say customer service. And as you can see, they have some skills that's here that you can click from. But if these don't pertain to you, then don't even worry about them. Just go ahead and click and add the skills. Add a skill if there is another. But for our codes, for our codes example, we'll just say customer service, and switch on to the next one. This is going to be step 5. You see, our resume is just, they're slowly putting the things in order for us. And I guess this is step 5, the save and continue. So this is our resume. This is what you're gonna get once you enter your own personal information. Once you do your own work experience, your in your education. So after that, let's you can download it. You can replace with a different one, and you can always go back to the screen and edit your resume on indeed.com. That's one thing that I do like about Indeed, that they save your information for you. You can always go back and edit like each section, as you see right here. So I'm going to save and continue. Okay, so now we're at step 5 out of 5, which is additional information. So basically your resume is done, but this right here is going to help Indeed help you land a job that you want. So you can answer these questions like your desired job title, your work schedule, the shifts, your desired pay, and then you can tell them a little bit about yourself. These things is optional though. As said here, these questions are optional, but may increase the chances that you will match an employer's search on Indeed. So that leads me to believe that an employer can also search for a worker. So if I were you, I would fill step 5 out of 5 out, this additional information, just in case Indeed notifies you that, hey, codes like your resume, or whoever else, whatever business like your resume, check them out, so this is actually a good system that Indeed has on here. So yeah, you guys should definitely fill this out. And after you've completed your additional information page, you can now view your resume. Congratulations, you're now one step closer to landing that job that you wanted. If you want to see how to effectively use indeed.com, watch my last video on that. I'll go in detail and give you the tips that I have used in the past in landing jobs. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you all a lot that's struggling out there. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.